Onward and trailward! Daisy!
Man, oh man, this is sweet!
Squeaks!
Let's do this, man.
Whoopsie, you forgot to make something for Aunt Reva's nature art show. You lose 15.
How?
I think I'll frolic to my next spot.
Ronald.
It's Ronald time.
No way, man. All the strawberries for Sadie are moldy. You lose 10.
Onward and spinward! I sure hope there's no water on this trail. A little help here. You get stuck in gooey tree resin. You lose 25. If you're me, Nature Cat, or my pal Hal, you lose another 10. Oh yeah, it's Daisy's turn.
I just love these wild places.
And now the small but mighty squeaks.
Road trip? Count the mouse in.
Houston, we have a problem. Spin again.
Spin that spinner, Hal.
Don't you just love a road trip? I know I do.
Surf's up! If you're me, Nature Cat, you sit this one out and go back to your previous spot. Okay, fine. Spin if you must, Ronald.
Boom shakalaka!
Codger McDowell wants to help you float across the Great Salt Lake, but you forgot your swimsuit. Rats! You lose 25. If you're me, Squeaks, or my friend Daisy, you lose another 10.
The mighty trail awaits. Tally-ho! There's so much nature to see. Welcome to Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Pele's tears are beautiful bits of lava that have hardened. Don't they look like teardrops?
Kilauea is known as a shield volcano with a broad cone-like shape and a gentle slope. It is the youngest volcano on the island of Hawaii. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is home to two of the world's most active volcanoes, Kilauea and Mauna Loa.
Congratulations on winning your park souvenir! Near.
Give it a super spin, Daisy.
I wonder what I'll find over here. Houston, we have a problem. Spin again.
Squeaks, spin away.
I think I smell cheese in this direction. Cheese!
It's your turn, Hal, my pal.
I just love nature.
Ronald, may the spin be with you.
The Ronald's on the board, baby.
Let's do this. Onward and trailward. Time to hit the trail, Daisy. Tally-ho.
Man, oh man, this is sweet.
Bath time. Woof. My pal Hal needs a bath. Spin again. Onward and cheeseward, Squeaks.
Let's do this, man.
Get ready for the mighty trail, Hal.
I think I'll frolic to my next spot.
Your turn, Ronald. Good luck. I can't believe I just said that.
It's Ronald time.
Houston, Then we have a problem. Spin again.
Nature Cat! I sure hope there's no water on this trail.
It's the strongest show on earth. Spin again.
Daisy!
I just love these wild places.
Squeaks!
Road trip? Count the mouse in.
How?
Don't you just love a road trip? I know I do.
Time to round up some wildflowers. Ready, set, draw. You earn 25. If you're me, Daisy, the fastest draw in the West, or my buddy Nature Cat, you earn 10 more.
Ronald.
Boom shakalaka.
Time to round up some wildflowers. Ready, set, draw. You earn 25. If you're me, Daisy, the fastest draw in the West, or my buddy Nature Cat, you earn 10 more.
It's my turn. There's so much nature to see. Congratulations, adventurer! You made it to the end of the trail.
You still have teammates on the trail.
Oh yeah, it's Daisy's turn.
I wonder what I'll find over here.
And now the small but mighty Squeaks.
I think I smell cheese in this direction. Cheese!
Congratulations, adventurer! You made it to the end of the trail.
You still have...
Spin that spinner, Hal.
Ah, I just love nature.
Okay, fine. Spin if you must, Ronald.
The Ronald's on the board, baby.
Give it a super spin, Daisy.
Man, oh man, this is sweet!
Congratulations, adventurer! You made it to the end of the trail.
You still have teammates on...
It's your turn, Hal, my pal.
I think I'll frolic to my next spot.
Congratulations, adventurer! You made it to the end of the trail.
You...
Ronald, may the spin be with you.
It's Ronald time.
Congratulations, adventurer! You made it to the end of the trail. Ooh, look at all the nature energy. Incredible!
Check out the photos from our trip! Ah, memories. What great pictures! You collected all the park souvenirs. Who wants to do it again?